thing as failure for the girls?
You know
You
what?
guys are living. You guys are the 1%.
No. You know what? You know what's helping us? It's the bows. They didn't wear their bows.
It's the
that's why.
bows. We make it
The
work.
bows.
Girl, girl,
The bows,
girl.
girl.
There we go.
Girl.
Ah!
Like those two. What do we do? Are we succeeding?
I can't believe these two have had it this easy this whole time.
Ah! Ah! Oh.
Sounds like someone needs to get good.
Oh.
Doesn't help, yeah, but when you make a mistake, you get gifted. We don't. We get punished.
I'm Garth.
You suck.
Skill issue.
Pip, pip, I'm Garth. I stink.
Yeah, we actually have to have skill to make it. You don't. You can just die and make it.
That's my Garth impression.
That's a good impression. All right, here we go.
Thank you.
Oh, I hate
Jumps, but really bad
Whoa!
Whoa! What are we doing?
How did I die?
We were having too much fun.
The game was like, I guess you can't have fun anymore. All
I
right.
do research on that.
I think they just die.
Spider web, spider web. You do the other icicle web. Wee wee wee, wee wee wee. Wee wee wee
What are you
wee
doing?
wee 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 wee.
Just jump.
I'm stuck on
All
the
right,
wall.
I'm
Hang
gonna
on
see
a
if I can
second.
try to shoot the web
There
at the
you go.
tree. Hold on.
Kim.
Yep.
Okay, Kim.
Hold on.